The 3,000-year-old Nabu temple in Iraq, celebrating the Babylonian god of wisdom. Now it's a target of Islamic State. Reuters could not verify the authenticity of the video, and the date of the video is unclear. What is clear is the temple is a target of Islamic State, a group seeking to destroy all representations of idols. The UN has confirmed that satellite imagery shows, quote, extensive damage to the main entrance, raising the stakes as the Iraqi army and Kurdish Peshmerga forces prepare an offensive to retake the IS stronghold of Mosul, with support from the US-led coalition.